You're not posting that part because I sound like a dying raccoon.
Hey guys,
Mom, that thing is
here we go, your farm.
Oh my God.
really
Patient.
okay. Let's go.
It's not just a bag. It's Prada. Birthday girl.
Birthday girl.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Like, new outfit. Beautiful. Beautiful. Not beautiful.
So guys, we're gonna go on vacation for about 3 days for my birthday. And we're gonna go to Miami Beach. And we're gonna be in the pool on the beach and we're gonna be vlogging a lot of it. So come on. This is the pool on the 3rd floor, and there's another pool down there. We will show you guys that later, but this is our view. Tomorrow is my birthday, my birthday. Tomorrow is my birthday, my birthday.
She's turning 30.
Nobody needs to know that. Yes, I'm turning 30. Woo-hoo. Last day in my 20s.
She's no longer a young mom. Where are my scrunchies?
Last day of you having a wife that's in her 20s. How does this feel?
I feel good. You're getting close to me.
No,
Yes.
you're still ahead of me.
Where's my scrunchies? I have an obsession, guys. I have 105.
Not funny.
If you guys haven't saw our trying Russian candies video,
Haven't seen?
make sure you go watch it. It's so funny.
Only in this family.
Only in this family.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, well, what are you waiting for? Hit that red subscribe button and become part of the GR family.
Hello, your farm.
Oh my God.
Can you explain why do you keep saying your farm?
Because
like the
he's
farm.
Cuban.
Cover your titties.
Oh my goodness.
I'm covering your
Oh
titties.
my goodness.
His two.
Look, okay. The first time I said, hello, dear fam, like family, I said it wrong, and I said farm, as a farm.
You always say farm.
No, now I
now
say
he
it.
likes
Only when you think before you say
Now I
it.
say it on
That's when you
purpose,
say.
so I know it bothers them. So,
Where are my scrunchies?
Dale.
but in real life, we are more a farm than a family.
We are.
He has a point. I'm not part of this farm.
Oh yeah, you were.
Oh, yes.
We're coming. We're gonna shave his back. Wait, what hairs? There's no
I know,
hair.
that's what I'm
How do you feel?
I feel naked.
and afraid.
Naked and afraid. Dun, dun, dun.
Horse to the old town road, I'm gonna ride thing like I know.
Stop moving. His butt is hairy though.
Okay, that is TMI for the Gio
I
family.
know.
What you doing?
Ask my stress.
Okay, the whole GR family is in
Now
the
you
bathroom.
are. Now you are. That's
Okay,
the
everybody get in the shower. We're gonna have a shower party.
Okay.
word. What the heck is that? Suave, suave, baby, suave, eso no es un camello. Es que aparte de eso, este animal de la familia está así.
He called me an
Shut up,
Yeah, man.
Sparkle.
Go, good.
Mira. Cierra la boca, que está igual que Finn.
He doesn't stop moving. How can I shame him?
Shut up.
What's up, your family?
Hi, GR fam.
Yeah, what?
Wow.
We're doing a challenge here.
Yeah, we're trying to put this
And I haven't.
completely filled.
No, but I told them how you were doing it before.
Okay, I would do it before.
Like you were doing it before, mía. No lo hagas
careful with
rápido,
the
no lo hagas rápido para que la cámara no es. Dale, go.
No, that is not.
Oh my God.
No. No, don't, mira. Aceite. Aceite.
Hey,
Wait, I'm putting it on now.
I'm with this on Toy Story. Mira, mira, toma la parte que está en la vez.
There's an emergency in the hotel because there's water spilling from somewhere. I don't know if they figure out from where. But look at this.
The dying.
And the water is coming from there. So all the alarms went on. See? And they said that we needed to evacuate the building. We thought it was a fire, but we realized it was the water. They haven't been able to stop it though. I don't know what floor it's coming from. The funny part is that Alex, my husband, he just came down those stairs like 2 seconds before that water started going. So we have no idea what happened. But look guys, look how much water is coming down those stairs. And I don't know what floor it's coming from, but it's scary because like the rooms could get flooded. The rooms can get flooded.
What's the name?
Jasmine's worried. Why are you worried, Jasmine?
Oh, my new eyelashes are in there. My MAC makeup is in there. My everything is in there. My very important things are
My
in
everything.
there.
She means makeup.
Makeup.
That's what she means by everything.
He was just lucky. He was just there like 2 seconds ago. No, mommy, I don't think so. Our room is it's far. Our room is in the 6th floor, so I don't think it's coming from up there. I think it's coming from the 2nd floor right there.
Okay, we're at the Versace mansion. This is where he died.
He got shot.
Ven.
He is right confronting this gun down, right?
Mia.
feels the opposite of areas. So guys, my mom surprised me with Starbucks. Like the Ace family, they did getting the person in front like we did. So if you haven't checked out our video or the Ace family, make sure you go check them out both. So my mom got it and it's actually nasty. But I trusted you, Austin. But it's actually kind of nasty.
So we got the green tea frap with 10 pump of raspberry, and she doesn't really like green tea. We just thought it was not gonna taste as much as green tea, but it does.
So if you like green tea and well, it doesn't taste like raspberry, but just get it if you like green tea. But she got me a really cute Starbucks cup that I'll show you later in the video.
Eating Asiago bagel with bacon and
Eggs.
eggs. It's
Really good.
Okay, remember? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, me baby. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
No te busca a ti, no tengo la culpa. Si se te perdió, no tengo la culpa. Y yo no tengo la culpa, no. Y si me busca a ti.
What's up, GR family? So in these vlogs, we haven't really did like a proper intro. So we're probably just gonna put this part in the beginning.
When you put something in the beginning, you don't say you're putting it in the beginning, you just put it in the beginning.
We are getting to the downtown.
We're going to
Miami downtown.
Bayside.
The arena where the Heats play, Miami Heat play. And that's where all the big concerts happen. Yeah, Shawn Mendes is gonna be here
Show that, baby.
at the end of July.
You see the Cuban flag?
Yeah.
That is the Tower of Liberty. That face was filmed right here.
Right here, Scarface was filmed there. No, the only one that's not from Miami is
I am straight from Cuba.
she came.
This is paid by
straight-
phone?
She
So
came-
guys, a little.
Miami
Can you-
305.
where are you reading that?
This is paid by phone.
No, in the camera is the other way around.
Oh.
305.
305.
Because Amy was born in Cuba and she came from Cuba straight to Cape Coral where we live now. Mia was born here in Miami, actually Miami Beach. Jasmine was born in Hialeah, Palmetto Hospital, so she is not Cuban, but she was born in Hialeah, so that's like second Cuba there. He was
I was born in Cuba, 1975.
Yeah.
but he lived in Miami for many
Ooh, it
years.
looks old, but I look young.
I was born in Cuba, but I also lived in Miami for many years.
Oh, we are getting into the Bayside. Amy was a teacher. There's Glenys. Bayside.
But we are at Bubba.
It's a restaurant inspired by Forrest Gump movie.
What is it?
It's a restaurant inspired by the Forrest Gump, the movie by Tom Hanks.
The movie. His menu was for Mia, but you want to see who's coloring it? Yep, she is.
Yeah.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Everybody's tired? Not Jasmine though.
Bum. Yeah.